Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair 5 Oaks, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right Now Heating and Cooling is the ideal choice when you're in search of reliable HVAC contractors within your area. We offer services for residential and commercial properties. With more than 25 years expertise in the field, we boast all of the knowledge and expertise needed to tackle even the most stubborn HVAC problems. Our professional HVAC contractors and technicians are highly proficient in all areas of the HVAC industry. They deliver exceptional service that includes outstanding results, exceptional customer service and affordable prices. Every member of our team takes great pride in staying up to date with the latest codes and cutting-edge technology to keep your home and family healthy. No matter how complex or massive the task it is, we appreciate what they do. This shows in the high-quality work we do. From small repairs to your heating or cooling system to major central heating and cooling system installations, our HVAC contractors are able to help. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the best and most reliable technicians in the business. Your job will be done correctly the first time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to maintain our relationship after the new equipment is installed or fixed. Our ongoing service will ensure your unit is running at maximum efficiency without causing disruptions. The services we offer include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and various other services. Our policy has always been straightforward, and that is to offer a fair price that is based on qualified HVAC technicians, with no additional charges and 100% satisfaction guarantee on the work done. Our HVAC technicians are on hand to help with any heating and cooling maintenance or installation for your home or business. We offer a variety of pricing options, and we guarantee our work. Emergency and weekend services along with warranties on all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.